To set up theft protection in Motorola Signature, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we need to find security and privacy. Click on it, then navigate down to device unlock and click on the theft protection. After that, we'll have multiple different options for theft protection. We can first activate the default theft detection lock. So if you're using your phone outside and your phone detects that somebody grabbed it and started running with it, it will lock. So you can activate it right here with this option. Then there's offline device lock. Your screen will lock shortly after your device goes offline. So usually if somebody stole your phone, first thing they will do is they will try to disable any internet connection like Wi-Fi or mobile data. So if it goes offline, it will also lock your screen. You can turn it on right here. Then there's a remote lock. Now, if you have a SIM card inserted in your phone, you'll be able to lock your phone using your number. You can enter remote lock and go to this website, android.com/lock, and if you go there, enter your phone number when this option is active, you'll be able to lock your device. Then there's find and erase your device. You can click on it, and if your Google account is logged in on your phone, you can log into that account on other device and open Find Hub app. In Find Hub app, you can see your phone right here. Maybe you can even track it depending on the settings if they didn't turn off location first. You can click on your phone, and then in the settings on other device, you'll be able to perform reset for it. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.